Hey, man. We got an EZGO Ballard here with the EX1 engine. I wanted to show you a simple way how to test the ISG and see if it's bad or not. What I'm going to do is I'm going to black my voltmeter on both DC 20. Both straight line, B with a straight line DC. I'm going to take my black lead of my meter, put it inside the ground, and my red lead of my meter on the positive. And you can see we have battery voltage. And then I'm going to take my red lead of my meter, put it inside the plug, and my black lead, and I'm going to stick it in the ground wire. Alright. Then whenever you turn the key on, right now I have the key off. When you turn the key on, key's on now, there's no voltage coming out. Alright. Now they're bad for intermittent. If you have voltage coming out of here, then you're going to find a relay problem or something like that. Now what I'm going to do now is plug in a new ISG. You can plug it in now and test it. Let's see here. Just give me 1 second. I'm going to unplug my other harness. Plug them into the new one. I'm just doing this to show you how the test works and how accurate it is. Like I said, if you have voltage out of here, then you know it's in the relay or something like that. All right, what I'm gonna do, got my voltmeter on both DC 20, black lead on the main ground.